Today we're going to be making this super cute photo frame gift. I made this for my friend's bridal shower with the clear photo frame and it was super cute, but not gonna lie, the glass was a bit annoying because you had to worry about what it looked like on both sides. You'll need a frame, of course, and stationery or anything to decorate it with. I made this picture of the couple by tracing it off my laptop and I printed out some mini Polaroids of them. Separate your frames, which I could not figure out how to do with this glass frame, and clean it off. Now begin arranging how you want it to look on the back of your photo frame. Wash your hands or use tweezers to lay the stuff down because fingerprints will show. Once you've got a design you like, take a picture of it for reference and begin arranging it on the front of your frame. Remember, it will be a reflection and make note of what stationery was on top, that way it will look the same as your picture. I recommend laying your glass frame on a white background so you can see if any stray pieces of dust or hair or something falls in your frame and you can remove it. Now you can begin sliding the back of your frame back in. If you're worried about the stationery sliding around, you can glue your arrangements as needed. Make sure to lift up on the frame as you slide it in, and it shouldn't push around your stationery too much. And this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think of it in the comments.